Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are in Moncton, New Brunswick. So we got up at like 6 o'clock in the morning to drive up to our local Kenny U-Pole to see some things. Now there was the main reason why we came here, and it's right here. So as you see, this is a 2015 GMC Sierra, which means it is an LT motor. So it should be a 5.3 LT, and we're kind of contemplating about pulling it or not. So let's take a peek at it. So it hasn't been here long, and you'll see it is a complete motor, which is very nice to see. And well, you know, I kind of want to pull it. Why would we pull this? Well, let's face it, it would look nice in a third gen, it would look nice in an El Camino. There's a lot of reasons why we'd pull the LT motor, and then you could always buy an LT blower off of a supercharged Camaro or Corvette down the road if you wanted to. These have a little more power, they're all aluminum, I believe, so it might be worth the trek to take it apart. So everyone, welcome Jeff. Nice.
That's what I get to do.
What's that?
Crawl in through the back seat.
Well,
Can't get the trunk open, no keyhole.
oh yeah.
Well,
Well, let's grab my wheelbarrow. I'll come down with you and we'll do that first. There's a Taurus here we're taking taillights out of. This motor we're on the fence about. There is 3-speed stuff for our Neon. There is a lot of actually good stuff that we're going to need. So let's get this checked out. Okay, so another reason why we came here today is the Ford Taurus. Now you do realize we do have the cheapest SHO in the world, clean title, but you'll see here, I don't know why they did it, but they had chrome trim here and it starts to peel. So mine's peeled, so we're going to take the standard ones, which is the ones without the chrome trim. Now unfortunately there's only one of each side, but for now we'll rob it and go from there. And we're probably going to take some chrome trim off of this so we can get it painted. So anything that might still be good, we might take off for paint work.
this is surprisingly comfortable.
Do you think we can fit an LT motor in the back of one of these?
You fit me in the back of one of these.
So an LT motor should go in.
I would believe so. This has no rear speakers.
No?
Or someone took, no, they would, yeah, no, they have no rear speakers.
We're also going to take a couple pieces of the interior just so we can wrap it in carbon fiber and have our own carbon fiber interior pieces. So I'm probably going to regret this, but we are pulling the motor out of this. Out of breath because we were just running with this.
Regret it.
So 2015 LT1 5.3, 60,000 kilometers. We're going to pull that, pull the gas pedal, pull the computer, the ignition. I'll just take a picture of the VIN.
Do we need the gas pedal?
Yeah, gas pedal and fuel module. And there's the LT swap for somebody. So the plan is we're going to post it for sale. If it doesn't sell, it's going into something we own. So unfortunately, where it was a rollover, it was hard to get the rad support out of this, so we just used our little noggin a little bit and pulled it out that way. As Jeff says, us being smart. As you see, that makes life way easier, guys. Jeff's gonna drop that down. I'm gonna disconnect the computer, start doing the wiring, and out she comes. Okay, so we got the body control module off, we got the pedal off, we got the computer out, And now we're just doing the mounts here. Drive shaft's already disconnected. The exhaust is already disconnected because they cut it.
Front drive, or
Rear drive shaft's disconnected already. So we might not be able to get at the back upper, I'm assuming you're talking about.
What?
The transmission bolts?
Yeah, just a tight spot.
So the back upper's in a tight spot, so we might have to pull it all as one, get it out so far, and then disconnect the transmission from the block, and it's out, done, ready to go. So it looks like standalone harness is about $1,300 American, which ain't terrible when you think about it.
No, for what you get.
Or if you're picking the motor up for $400, the TR6060 was well free. So then you buy a clutch and a harness, if that's what we're doing, and done. So that's not bad. So we're gonna shut you guys off for now until we get ready to pull this, and then we'll bring you guys back. Okay, so we're about to pull it out. So we're gonna let you guys watch us. We got all of it undone except for the transmission. We're gonna pull it out first a little bit, so we can get the two last bolts, or the bolts of the upper part of the transmission, and then hopefully pull the motor out.
Bottoms yet either. We do all of it.
There you go. We gotta do it all. So after a few hours of messing around, you'll see that it is out. What do you think, Jeff?
Not too bad. Where's the wasn't bad. Fought us a little bit. I don't understand why this transmission's holding on to your life.
Try that again, because I had that down to the ground.
Yeah, I don't know why the transmission's holding on for dear life, but other than that,
She's out.
like we literally unbolted it, shook it around, and it would not come apart. But we'll get it now that it's out.
Okay, so we got the motor off. We're gonna take that up. We're gonna come back, get our tools and stuff, and then continue on. Okay, guys, we're almost finished up the day. So we did find this 2000 automatic Neon, which is good for us because it's a 3-speed auto. And if you're unfamiliar with the channel, we are building a drag Neon with a 3-speed. That's a built 3-speed. So we need the kick down, we need the mount, and the brackets going to the throttle body. So let's have some fun with this. Back on the iPhone life because the GoPro died. We've been out here all day. Yeah. So we're on the last bolt now to get the mount off. We got the throttle body off. We got the kick down. We got the cable. And other than that, we are good to go. So we got the motor today, as you've seen. We got the center console of the truck that we're going to see if we can fit it in the 4th gen, I think you want to call it. So the 2005 style truck. We got the mirrors off a 300M, which I'll show you guys later, which is for Jeff's car, because I got a set for my SRT already. So we got quite a few rare parts. What do you think, Jeff?
Nice once this bolt comes out.
Yeah.
Slowly.
So we're gonna leave it at that. We'll catch up when we get on the road, guys. It's getting late. We haven't ate all day. I'm starved. I'm pretty sure Jeff's starved and dirty and tired. A little dark out like always, but there is the LT motor, guys. And then as you see, you know you're a car guy when. So here's the basement. We have the drag motor, which is brand new, all new bottom end. This head's coming off. We have our turbo manifolds, tons of oil pans, excuse me, seats, TVs, more seats, wiring. So we're going to put that right here. As long as we don't block the paint cabinet, we should be good. Make sure you check out AGP Turbo if you're into obviously SRTs, and let's have some fun with this. Might have been right, but we didn't include the door, so we're going to take 6 inches off the bottom of this. Good thing for wood blades. So I don't know what you saw of that, but there's Jeff. Engine cranes in the air. It did work. It wasn't a bad idea. So let's get it jacked down, and then we'll slide over here, and we're done. As you've seen, guys, it's been a long day. We're going to call it an end at this. It's in the house, safe and sound. Make sure you check out these 2 videos. We have a big turboed SRT here, and this Civic truck if you guys want to keep up to date with that. And we'll catch you next time.